Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Let's see what's going on here. Are you talking to yourself over there? Oh boy. This bird is funny. This bird is hella funny. This bird is hella funny. What the heck is going on out there? People out there acting a fool. Sheesh. Look into my eyes and tell me what it is you see from me. Look into my eyes and tell me what it is you need. Look into my eyes. People's going crazy all over the world. It's easy. Going crazy. Going crazy. Da da da. Okay. Hit it. Hit it now. Hmm. Hmm. I'll do this one. This one. Mm. Mm, 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 Oh, all right. Kane is first. Canis is first in the chat. Eric is second. Yo, I'm listening. What you listening, Eric? What you listening to? How's everything, fellas? Welcome back. Welcome back to a smooth, chill addition to the stream. In the lion's den with yours truly, Lion of all trades. How was your weekend, fellas? What's going on? What's going on today? And you're a host of Lion's Den Lineable Trades with his co-host, Honey the Bird. What you gotta say about that, Honey? 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 I see you moving around. I see you swaying side to side. In the ballroom. Johnny, now it's almost Almuerzo Rodriguez. What is happening with y'all? Can y'all hear me good? Let me know. Okay, I see the mic on. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second to go ahead and get myself settled down. I need to wash this Tupperware. Much just waiting for the end of days. Oh man, I'm thinking about that too, Kenneth. I'm thinking about a lot of stuff that's just around the corner. Like literally. And I can't wait. I can't wait how this all is going to transpire. And I believe that, we are ready. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you are all prepared. And like always, you guys are properly hedged. Got your positions all settled to fight against this correction and gain massively from this. Not financial advice. What's up, Johnny? You got, I don't know, apparently, supposedly, you got a deadline here by the end of this week. Banks are supposed to be Basel III compliant. So what happens if they're not Basel III compliant? And there's a lot going on in other parts of the world that are in the midst of transforming financially. A lot of moves to be made. So it's Kat. Welcome back, Kat. It's good to see you. And hope you've been well. Hope you had a good rest of your weekend. And tell me how was your Monday? Kenneth says, I am prepared. I am self-employed, and my projects I am working on are good for 3 years. This man is settled. He's ready. Kenneth is ready. Ladies and gentlemen. Momo TP, get their butts in here. Come to a real life. Into a real life and just chill. And relax and let's talk. Let's talk some stuff. Alright, we got a very interesting setup right now on GameStop as we're looking right now. From the time when market closed and went into the after hours, we see ourselves a huge, crazy, ballistic green candle that was due to a press release, news that came out that took this from $22.23 to a high of $24, just at the very top of this supposed level of resistance. And then, of course, when there's always some reaction to news, depending on what it is exactly, of course, there's always some type of pullback right after. And a bit of consolidation as we're seeing here. You guys remember that, this bar was here a while back, I believe, since I want to say it's been there for a while, but it's funny how it actually fell right in between inside of this light pink box, and it so happened that it actually held right above, and it's consolidating, perhaps getting ready for another round of price action to go to the upside. Perhaps we hit 23 once again as we get into tomorrow. This is only I want to say that this is only just the beginning of GME to continue this surprisingly juicy uptrend that I see here, and it looks like one of those ascending triangles that is trying to pull off here, right? Right, it looks like one of those ascending triangles. Looks pretty cool. And this is just in the hourly, so imagine that. Now, anything can happen when it comes to these type of patterns. So you can either hold up and stay within the ascending triangle, or we can just completely break out of this and go for another push back to 24 bucks. And then you see we have another box here that is in between the range of 24.73 and 25.20. So who knows where this can head to. Who we got here? Says I'm good. Thanks for asking. Hope you had a good weekend. Good evening, Kevin. Johnny's tired already. He got the Monday-itis. He's on his way home. Johnny, you already know. Get back home safely. Yeah. Bullshit reverse? What's bullshit? What's a bullshit reverse? Ethereum? What's going on with Ethereum? What is the latest here? But anyways, yeah, due to this whole explosion in this one candle, you can see that GameStop completed its at the market equity offering program that was announced after earnings September 10th. I believe that was on a Thursday. And remember, there were no earnings call scheduled, and a lot of negative feedback came from that, and there was a lot of reaction. So GME did take a little bit of a plunge ever since. All right, you got September 10 right here. Okay, you got the earnings, you got this massive dump, which was part of the whole at the market program, the offering, the 20 million shares. And it took some time where now we're at the very deadline, and it it got completed today officially. So now they have a good approximately $400 million before commissions and offering and expenses. I'm pretty sure they have a lot more than that. And also on top of that, you got the more than $4 billion in cash at hand. So we're that's massive. But you already know, as we discussed a long time ago afterwards, we even went to ChatGPT to have a conversation about that, and what they would use that money for. And we already know that, as it says here, that GameStop intends to use the net proceeds from the program to for general corporate purposes, which may include acquisitions and investments. It could be something else. I mean, there's a probability of many things that GameStop can do with that money, just as long as they don't do the wrong thing. And they could even do a share buyback kind of program, you know. And what that would do to the stock too, as well, if they manage to pull that off, and how high GME can go if that was the case. But I don't know. Do you guys think that they would even consider doing a share buyback program, or are they gonna actually go for the next move on their chessboard and take out the king of all shorts? Or maybe there's still a couple of more moves to make on that board, one by one, and take out certain, in my opinion, maybe persons, entities, firms. You can all speculate, you know? So, by all means, what are your ideas? If you'd like to share in the chat, put your opinions down in the comment box. For example, Kenneth Investments says they are going to buy out Citadel after the squeeze. That's if they don't get shut down. Unless they want to decide to buy them out and take over their enterprise, perhaps properties, and call it GameStop headquarters. It's just me, like, just guessing, just throwing down my imagination, you know. I have no fook in me, cat. What? Reverse split on Maxine, Johnny says. We can go ahead and quickly look at that and see what's going on with little old Maxine. What is this little pop here, huh? Sell off. Freaking spy. You're set to crash soon this week, in my opinion, so you better do your job playing these games. Oh, I mean, without a doubt, yeah, because without a doubt, Johnny, because seriously, you know, they're in risk for delistment, and they have no other choice but to make that decision and regain compliance with the NASDAQ to reverse split Maxine from 2 to 1. I wouldn't know exactly how many shares. I'm pretty sure with the amount that the stock is trading at barely at 8 cents, they'd probably do, I'd say, maybe 100 to 1. And that would be $8 when it starts trading officially, once it's implemented. So, but yeah, it took a hell of a beating today, for sure. It was at what was this? It was at a high of 11.5 cents before it started selling off, and then went into aftermarket Friday. This thing went all the way deep down to 8 cents. Wow. So I think this was definitely a reaction to some sort. I'm pretty sure it was definitely a reverse stock split. see. Yeah, here it goes. Maxon to proceed with approved reverse stock split after delisting notice. Okay. Just go to the market screener. Yeah. We got the determination letter from the staff of the listing qualifications department of the NASDAQ. Blah, blah, blah. As of September 16, the company's securities had a closing bid of 10 cents or less for 10 consecutive trading days. September 20th, the company submitted a hearing request through the NASDAQ Listing Center, which will automatically stay any delisting action or filing of the Form 25 NSC pending such hearing in accordance with NASDAQ Listing Rule 5815A1. Yeah. On August 29th, the shareholders of the company at the annual general meeting of shareholders approved by ordinary resolution the consolidation of every 100 existing issued ordinary shares, including treasury shares, into one ordinary share of the company. Yep, I told you. It would be 100 shares to one. The company's board of directors is in the process of taking the necessary actions to implement a reverse stock split, which the company believes will bring the bid price for the company's ordinary shares above $1 per share. So if they do this 100 to 1, that will bring Maxine to $8 a share. And you're talking about a smaller shares flow and all that stuff. So, yep, another stock taking advantage of shorted, plummeted, plunged, all that crazy stuff. What else? I think there was another stock that just gotten a little bit of the plunge. Forgot what it was. You heard? Oh wow, ZJYL dropped negative 24.51% with an extra 2.60% down, bringing it to $3. This thing was at a high of where? A high of 346. What is this? Yeah. Oh, so SES dropped negative 13.43% here. I have 78 cents all the way down to 65.86. 68 cents currently. Wow. BGFV up 13.83%. And then it took a little deuce here in after hours, 3 hours ago. That's a big deuce right there. Just 400 shares for that big candle to the downside. Unbelievable. Plug Power up 3.09%. Brought that to $2 a share. You got Fuel Cell down negative 5%. AMLI, I think AMLI was a stock that Fishy introduced us to, and this was up plus 17.43%. So from 35 cents to 45.83. Lunar took a huge dive too as well. Wow. Big dive. Big dive indeed. Look at this. This thing had reached to a high of 979, I think. Yeah, 979. 985 actually. 985, and this thing came back to $8 a share today. Laser down negative 6.83%. Also, LICY negative 9.09%. A lot of negatives here. Jeez. Hell, TP. Welcome back. I feel like you were out for like a good week or so. Is your birthday month over, or are you still celebrating? And speaking of birthday months, shout out to Kevin, because it was his birthday this month too as well. So again, happy belated to you, and hope you're enjoying the rest of your birthday month. And yeah. Well, wait a minute. I think we're in Are we in Virgo? No, not Virgo. I think we're in Libra. Libra season now, right? Wait, let me see. Libra season. I think it started. It started now. Yeah, today is the official season of Libra. September 23rd to October 22nd. Sheesh. So it is gonna be a lot of. You know what Libra stands for? Well, Libre. Hey, it told me. Okay, shoot, that's funny. Libra, I know, is a unit of weight. Libras. How many libras do you weigh? ¿Cuántos libras pesas tú? But Libra also means, I think, like liberated, free. Scales? Unless it's Libre, but yeah, I think it's Libre. But yeah, what's cracking, fishy? What's crack-a-lacking? We were just here going over some of the stocks here you mentioned, fishy. There's some that are actually down right now. There's one in particular, fishy, that you mentioned before, and it looks like after market hours is just officially closed. So we're officially closed for the whole entire market trading day, and now what's left is how do you call it? Now it's the 24-hour markets and futures. Temu stock. You mean Pinduoduo? Up 2.40%. Mind you, the trajectory of the stock and how it went and how it's now coming back up from these lows here at 88 and change, $90 a share. It looks quite strong now, and especially here on the 24-hour chart, everything is rebounding. So look at that, you know. You got the displaced exponential moving average, the 9-day period, and it's been trading above that for quite some time, ever since the bottom, and had a big nasty green candle there today from a low of 99.97 to 102.97, which would have gave you a good gain if you had played some quick options there. Also, and on top of that, you got the whole EMA clouds here transitioning from red to green, so it's turning bullish. So that gives me a reason to suspect that Pinduoduo or PDD, not P Diddy, it's actually on a nice trend. Looks really solid as a trend, you know. So if it could actually break over the 180 to 200 day period EMA cloud, this can definitely go over 105 to 106 before this week is over, if bullish. In case, and that's if like the market overall does not influence the stock to actually take the turn the other way and drop down back to 100. But it looks good so far. And also here too on the hourly, you got some consolidation and perhaps another opportunity for this to actually stair step another level, you know, because this usually when you see this type of price action and it looks like it's taking a stair step, chances are it's probably going to make another one and continue on to north. Very bullish. Very bullish. Guys, give me 1 second. Sorry. Also, if there's any tickers that y'all want to discuss, list them down. I'll be right back. And Fishy, AMLI. I think that's one of the other tickers that you've mentioned before. A lithium company, American Lithium Corp. That's it right there. It actually ran about 20%. Hit like almost 46 cents today. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Alright, I'm back. And I brought some chocolates with me. Ugh. Alright, what's going on here? Where's the guy? Hey, I had some. Wait, no. Wait, I'm not even gonna. Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. I remember looking at a list like that. Hmm. Put it out. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. An Oreo Pop-Tart? Oh my god. Jimmy better give us 50. Jimmy better give us 500. Oh, I heard of that, Fishy. Qualcomm and the news with potential buyout. My Intel. Was it Intel? I think it was Intel. Not panic advice. Do not panic. Just not financial advice. I would you can buy New Orleans East? Let's see, let's focus here. So what's going on? GTI up 60%. Interesting. Let me just go back here. So PRTG. Hold on. I looked up the highest cost to borrow and a few stocks popped up. Portage Biotech. And let's see. It went down 10.44% today. Has been in a little doing a little. Let's see, hold on. Oof. Is that a P&D in progress? What's going on here? I can't even zoom in. What is this? Oh, there he goes. Wow. So this thing went as high as $23.01. It had a reverse stock split back in August 15. Damn, jeez. Well, I guess the bird doesn't like that noise from the wrapper. Oh, 1 for 20. It looked like it was taking a nice trend. Oh. He says Oh gosh. What? Oh my goodness. You kidding me? Hold on. Yo, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. That is crazy. Hold on. Wow. Cost to borrow had. Oh my god, the struggles there. They can't even load up. Wow. Okay, so from let's see. 67 shares each? What? 55, 77, 80, 113. Wow, what are we looking at here? Fishy, what the hell? This is the highest cost to borrow fee I've ever seen in my freaking life. My experience trading. And just 100 shares available. They're literally about to run out of all the shares again. Oh my god. That is massive. Look at the 4 hour. Oh my goodness. Ah, god. Sorry, that is, oh my, ugh. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. God. Oh, wow. Okay. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. PRTG had lost compliance? Oh, and that's when they had the reverse stock split. Okay. Oh, I get it now. And then from there, this thing was actually trending pretty wildly. Because this thing literally pumped from here to 454, then back down, consolidated throughout this range, then pumped again back in August 23rd because, mind you, the cost to borrow at that time was already at over 1,000, and it has been over 1,000 for quite some time. But holy crap, talking about from like 279, 243 actually, all the way to the top of 828. What a nasty swing there. And then from there you get out. Sells off, comes back to the same range here for a bit. And then massive blow off here. From a low here of $2.81 all the way to a high of $23. That's like some January 28 type shish, you know, with AMC, remember? 2 and change to 20 something dollars. That's what it reminded me of. And the thing is, if this actually holds above 745, 750, and well, this actually did close at 781. And as a matter of fact, if you look a little closer here, you see that the 4 hour candle was actually coming back up, and then the next one was about to continue. Look at the hourly. The hourly now shows me that there was a bear wick here, but is this actually another signal for this to actually drop down? This has to stay above the 9-day displaced exponential moving average. Has to stay above 770 throughout tomorrow, and go for another bounce. Have this turn back around. Because it does need to consolidate. Either it consolidates or drops, or it consolidates or it rips. But with that amount of massive cost to borrow fee, oh my gosh. And look, the MACD here is literally just building back up slowly since Thursday, last Thursday. And literally at that point where it's gonna like try to break out again. And then the ADX here too as well is looking white. Let's see. Looks like it's sloping just a little tad bit, and then you got the red line here curling back up, so that's supposed to be bearish, a bearish indicator. But I think if more people are, I mean, I don't know, if more people are actually finding out about this and about this massive cost of borrow fee percentage, let alone the fact that they only have 100 shares. You know what? Let me go to freaking Fintel, because that's just disgusting. I wish we would see that on AMC or GME with that type of cost of borrow fee, and see how much trouble the shorts would have been. Yeah, look at that. 100 shares available. 100 shares left. And for tomorrow, oh boy, so fishy. For tomorrow, so today was at a minimum of 1,065.66%, with a maximum of 1,289.63%, which is going to be tomorrow's official percentage cost to borrow percentage fee. Explosive. Oh, the moon team do. The mountain dew. Man, where's Zelly at? I think she's still knocked out. Oh, not to sleep so late. And get in her hours of sleep. Ta viejita. Ta viejita. Nasty. That is crazy. What other... Hold on, let me just go back to the chat here. Qualcomm was part of the list I posted a few days ago. Let's go quickly on that. Let's find out. Where we go to INTC, Intel Corporation. Oh, they wow. They pushed up pretty nicely here since Friday. At a low of 2035, peaked out at 2314, 2316 as of pre-market hours today, and consolidating, looking like a nice pennant, in my opinion. Wow. That looks type solid. But could it hold? We don't know. This actually looks pretty wild though. I didn't even know Intel tanked on earnings. This was back in August 1st. But overall, it looked like it was, you know, trying to make a comeback here. Oh, it definitely does. It definitely does. This definitely is coming back. Because we're talking about a low of 1851 as a new 52-week low, and this thing is now at $22.50. So it's like the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks a little solid, to be honest. Could stay within this range here. I'm gonna say stay within this range for a bit, you know. Lucid at the bottom. Let's look at Lucid at the bottom. It actually came back. Okay, it actually came back to the bottom there. Oh, I think that's what we were waiting for. We were waiting for that double bottom. Okay. Maybe a second entry there. Or actually, matter of fact, this has to come back in here. Wow. So 8 hours ago, they received a $4 share price target. By Cantor Fitzgerald. Tesla and Chinese EV startups outpaced Toyota, Volkswagen in critical software race. Wow. What about Lucid? Oh, okay. Only 3 legacy automakers, Ford, General Motors, and Bayerish Motorin Work, made it to the top 10 in their digital automaker index. The Financial Times cites a Gartner report. Tesla, Chinese companies like NIO and XPeng Inc., and startups such as Rivian Inc. and Lucid Group dominated the list. Okay, ooh. What about the daily? What do you gotta say about the daily? You know what? Man, this thing looks crazy. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments here. Let's see. Let me start from here. Huh. Or from here. I don't know how you guys do it. Holy crap. Okay, let's just say this is the case right here. No? I swear it just looks like to me. You know what? Let me just do this. Because maybe it follows up this channel here. But I feel like I'm a noob right now. Oh my god. Oh, but it looks great though. Overall though, I'm surprised. I'm surprised. If it doesn't hold, it's gonna try to come back to $3. You got the 9-day DMA. And you see here, you got 6 consecutive bearish candles. So either tests 337, 335 here support. If it breaks below that, $3 could be somewhat of a major support level. I really hope that cost to borrow percentage was not a glitch, because it looks like it's been hanging in around that range for some time. I don't know. Looks like it's been a while. And then speaking of FFEVs, uh, mentioning FFIE here. Where is it? Is it on top? FFIE. It's bottoming out again. Looks like the reverse split wasn't enough. How can we know if Intel is inside us? What? It sure did. What does that say, Eric? Not Chinese advice? Oh, shoot. That is hilarious. Wow. Oh my god. Ugh. You gots to get dinner. Alright, TP. Enjoy your dinner. Eat well. And we'll catch you later. Alligator. Oof. This looks interesting, actually. Is it me or is it looking like it wants to fill the gap? Back to 23. 2350. Wow. For your shake. For real. Yeah, word, TP. You know you've been out for a while, so it's good to see you back. It's good to see you again. Always a pleasure, bro. Oh. Listen. What to do. Alright, let's see. What is the dealio with GME? Because GME on this MACD, on the daily MACD, why does this look so good? Yeah, I'll be here. I'll be on for a bit. I'll probably extend my time to 10 o'clock. Who knows? We can actually, you know. Oh, what is this? Urinatomy? What is this? Moistly. Unexpected juiciness from GameStop. Indeed. As you can see here on the daily MACD, we've been actually seeing a climb. You notice here. So, would it be the next climb go on here with the bar trending up? And, this to actually follow this trend and guessing that the next step would be to have another round and have some bit of a push to the upside. You already got three bullish signals here, not financial advice. So, let's say he got the hot dog ready. He got the glizzies ready. Listen, I remember once upon a time when glizzies cost $1.49, $1.50 at a hot dog cart. Now that thing is like $5 in Manhattan. Thank you, Eric. And thank you to Moistly for that unexpected juiciness of a glizzy. You get it? So this, if you want to put this together, This is what you get. Unexpected juiciness of a glizzy. So thank you guys for that. Not that I would actually buy a glizzy from that, but maybe a cheeseburger hot dog from 7-Eleven. Cat watches Norp. What is a Norp? I just drew that backwards. I just flipped it and reversed it. So that looks pretty juicy for sure. 24-hour, 8-hour, 8-hour. You got a signal there too as well. 6-hour. You can see it spreading out a little bit, but sometimes I really don't like how this steps up like that. 4-hour. It's massive. 2-hour. You can see it coming down just a little bit. Looks like it wants to peak out. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. See how that looks like. All right, looks like it's sloping down just a little bit here on the ADX. Hold on, there's ADX here. See here? Got it sloping down just a little tad bit. If this red line actually decides to actually curve back up, then you might see some downside. Norpway. Let's go to the hourly. The hourly, the hourly looks a little bit more similar to the 2-hour. And the thing is, you have a second candle here opening up where it wants to actually come down because it's actually underneath the 9-day displaced EMA. So if we have this continuing back down to 2240, and then the next one opens up, bearish, then we'll probably see another breakdown on GME. You try to, test around, let's say, $22 as support. But again, it has to hold above 2243, and then try to go for like another one of these, like that, and then get yourself a little nice breakout over 23, and then so forth. Slow and steady wins the race. It's God. These little flies are just annoying me. Oh, I'm gonna get a spray and spray all of them down. Anyway, let's see. 45. Because I want to see if the smaller time frames confirms that nice little pygmy up there. Maybe another leg up for Jimmy. Let's see. Why is this like that? It's weird. I'm gonna have to change MACD indicators. 30 minute. 15 minute. 15 minute looks a little more solid. You can see it right there. A big bullwick, which signals a nice reversal to the upside, and then the next candle here growing and possibly wanting to crack back over 2270 to 2280. I actually have Schwab. Let me see, something weird. Schwab calculating my unrealized gains, losses in millions on GME with what the hell non-financial advice. Do you have a screenshot of that perhaps you would like to share on Discord? Because that is weird. I think that's something that should be shared with, unless somebody else also managed to spot that. And you know what? As a matter of fact, let's actually go to Twitter, because maybe, just maybe, somebody else spotted that glitch or error. I don't know. Ah. No. That's hilarious. Let's see. I gotta go to latest. Okay, there's no latest on Charles Schwab. If I go to just do the little dollar symbol. Why don't we watch the overnight tick by Tick GME on yeah, we could do that. We could do that. So what, we closed at 22.31. The price of GME is now 22.61. $22.61. Say word. Really? Wow. This is actually trying to pick up right now. Oh, okay. I like what I see here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. I'm actually really surprised about this. Oh, really? So it seems like it's actually looking like another leg up after all. Wouldn't you say? Yeah, we got the 13 estimate exponential moving average bouncing off the 48. So yeah, it definitely looks like it's confirmation right there. Way above the 200-day exponential moving average. As this could actually take back $23 a share and above. Hopefully overnight. Imagine we actually see an explosion if we wake up for pre-market hours at 4 a.m. That would be exciting to see. That would be quite exciting for sure. Now, has there been any type of activity in terms of volume or, let's see, what are we saying here? If GME goes either up or down before January 2026, then I will for sure know what's going on. What is he even talking about? Oh my God. If printing more money makes it lose its value, then what does printing more shares of GME do? Who will be the punching bag for all of this dilution? The things I read sometimes. All the shorts for GME under $40 pre-split are completely effed. If they never closed, they will never get that money back. Not financial advice. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and find out exactly what happened in Schwab. What happened on Schwab with GME? Let's find out right now. wow. Interesting. Eric G's a millionaire. I'm joking. Oh my goodness. Total proceeds from January 1st to today, 2024. Charles Schwab is showing $1,492,546.57 in total proceeds. Is that a foreshadowing of the MOAS to happen this week? Or are you already a millionaire? Ooh. This and more on the next Dragon Ball Z. For real, what on earth? That is crazy. I wonder if it actually shows also like the cost, the average cost, and the share price different. But that is wicked though. Let's see. Wow, he sold DJT for GME today after hours. But you what? What's the latest here? The top story. 2285. Hey, we got some action here. We got some action for GME right now. It's trying. It's trying for 23. If we could get to 23, then chances are we are gonna see GameStop call contracts for the $23 strike in the money. If it goes over that. How accurate is this apparently? Correct. Bounced. Looks like a nice double bottom there. This is on the 15-minute chart. So you got that on the 15-minute chart. Is GameStop debt-free now? Offering is complete. GameStop now has $5 billion in cash with zero debt. Is it an end game here soon? Oh my god. This and more on the next line of all trades. Do not sell your GME shares or options until after 11. Oh, that was June 13. I remember that post. Freaking unbelievable. I was dead wrong. Looks like a shelf. And it looks like he was dead wrong. Maybe not. Maybe so. Let's see. New moon on Monday, says Johnny. Eric says, maybe because I have my sell limit at $500 a share. Oh my god. No way, dude. And it's funny because I was like, alright, I'd rather see GME at 500 instead. What? That's not. That's BS. Whoa, why is I don't know. That's weird. Um, see what we got here. DJT, it's not called naked shorts. The word is counterfeit. You're welcome, finger. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Another stock here that was also around 100, I mean 1,093% cost to borrow. August 20th, GNLN? Let's see what that is all about. GNLN. Green Lane Holdings. Green Lane Holdings. Wow, what an interesting. Wait, I charted this before? No way. There's no No, there's no. There's no way. There is no way. What? How? I'm so confused. I'm so what? Sometimes I don't even remember what I chart. Sometimes I'm just like, you know, wake up. This thing has been consolidating within this range for a while too. So you know what? Let me see this. Let me find out what the cost to borrow is for this stock. Oh, wow! It's still high too. That is interesting. So it's actually at 758.53% cost to borrow fee with only 30,000 shares left. It was at 889.4%. Green Lane Holdings. Green Lane Holdings. Green Lane Holdings. What is this about? The setup looks, it looks quite interesting. Yeah. I don't know what that is. Could Honey do some TA on ZJYL? I think Honey needs a bit of it needs to dance on the pole for a bit and do some tricks in order to do that. Yeah, this looks crazy. Sure. Let's go and find out what it's doing. Let's go find out what it's doing. Ooh, that looks like it wants to fall. A cliffhanger. Y'all. How about a cliffhanger all the way down here, huh? Just bring this all the way down over here. That looks nice, right? Just bring that all the way down here. Yeah. It's like that. Where is EJ Whale at? Here it is. Now, the interesting part about this is that it actually came back down to this area of support around $3 a share, which seems like a major level right now for ZJYL to see some type of reversal. And mind you, this is only on the 4-hour chart, where we can probably see this try to make some moves back up, and then try to go for another push. That's if the shorts are almost getting themselves into a lot of trouble. Wow, GME just literally pulled back from 2280 something to, yeah. But let me see. Let's see what's going on with ZJOL, because I doubt that ZJOL has a big amount of cost of borrow fees. Now it looks quite low, but I gotta say that they are running out of shares too as well. Just 3,000 left, so it's not too bad. Let's see what's going on in the 15. Yeah, it's in the 15. It just looks like it's just consolidating for now, for a while. The volume is a little dry. Oh, it did trade actually more than the average. It traded at 1.06 million shares. So not bad. Let's see. 5 minute. So it looks like there was some buys here at the very end of market day. Like someone was really interested in a lot of shares. Yeah, I got about almost 33,000 shares there traded on that candle. 72.36K there. 89.39K shares there too as well. Interesting. So overall, let me see. Overall, yeah, it looks like they literally just took control and just swatted it back down to where it belonged before, around the $3 range. This thing spiked up to 428 on Friday. Good, it was a good 24+% gain at that time. So not sure what's really happening with ZJYL, but I think the technicals are showing that there could be some type of a recovery if it holds above $3 for sure. So let's see what happens to ZJYL. If these little pops here occurred, there has to be some type of recovery, because there's no news at all. There's nothing that there's nothing that I see that talks about ZJYL, and no coverage on it, what's happening. So I'm pretty sure it's kind of like short related. Cat there just got the lotion ready again. God, pretty active so far. Bad. As a matter of fact, what is DJT doing? Oh wow. Let's look at DJT real quick. And DJT literally just getting demolished today. Well, as a matter of fact, ever since the beginning of pre-market, it had been dropping from a high of 1978, almost $20, and just literally getting demolished down to close at 12.15. You believe that? I've never seen such a breakdown like that. So let's see. So now DJT is approaching back at these lows here from, I want to say, from June of last year, March to June, between March and June of last year, around this range. So you had DJT here back at like literally at $12. Here at 1331. 12. No. What am I talking about? 1204. So $12 could be a critical level for DJT. And I don't know why GameStop pulled back like that. You're talking about 22.85 down to 22.56. DJT at the moment from 12.15 to, let's see, so 12.32, 12.34. So it is recovering for sure. Looks like it hit a low of 12.15 this time around 4 o'clock. But you know, it's actually been holding up and it's been consolidating, so I'm actually surprised about that. And let's see if there's any. Okay, so Trump Media shares tumble to new lows after insider selling curbs expire. Shares of former U.S. President DJT. DJT's media company tumbled 10% to a new low on Monday, extending recent losses after restrictions on insider selling expired. 6 straight sessions of declines in Trump Media and Technology Group, which is 57% owned by the Republican presidential candidate, have left its market cap at $2.4 billion. Shares of the company, which operate the Truth Social app, ended the day at $12.15, their lowest close since Trump Media stock market debut in March. So look at that. They had debuted in March. Unbelievable. So that's how low it's been. And quite frankly, could this be the sign of another window of opportunity for entry? Not financial advice. It could be, especially if we see DJT climb back up from 12.15 at those lows for today, and if it actually maintains and consolidates throughout that whole time into tomorrow, you know, maybe that could be the possibility, and for DJT to regain strength and start to come back up, because you know, so you take a look from the past here, you know, sooner or later there's gonna be a bottom being established, and so far it could be sooner than later. And look, we got ourselves here. 1, 2, maybe 3 here, and then a bounce back over, and a whole bunch of recovery for sure. Hey, what the hell is this? We got 2 Erics here. Eric G $, Eric G separated. Are you on both accounts at the same time? I feel people are going to get by 100%. Yeah, that's crazy. But that could be the scenario for sure. I'm just like wondering, what on earth is the SPY gonna do tomorrow and the rest of this week? That's what I'm thinking about. What was interesting is how SQQQ closed at 777 at 0.77%. I just caught that. How interesting is that? $7.77 closed on the day, down 0.77%. Lucky number 7. It would have been funny if that actually said 0 and then down 0.07777777. Lucy is getting Lucy on the poo. See. Ba-da-ba-ba. 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 Ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Uh-oh. Lucy. I'm home, Lucy. Let's check out Lucy's cost to borrow fee. Fishy is announcing here 800% cost to borrow fees. Innovative eyewear. Unbelievable. Well, here right now, as of 8:45 Eastern Time tonight, was at 695.04% with 9,000 shares remaining. Wow. So we're seeing a lot of we just seen a couple of stocks that are very high on cost of borrow fees. As you can see here, 5 hours ago, now they only have 10,000 shares left. Here you see for tomorrow, 695% in cost to borrow. Very interesting there. GNLN was another stock that I was just reviewing a couple of moments ago. And even that stock, fishy. This has 35,000 shares remaining available to short, and the cost to borrow for tomorrow is going to be at a minimum to max of 758.53%. So speaking of cost of borrows, we're going to just go ahead and look, find that website that shows all the stocks that have the highest cost to borrow. Green Lane, yeah. Yes. High borrow fee. Oh, here we go. So it was on the same website that I was in, chartexchange.com. Now, this might... I'm hoping that this is accurate here. But look at this. GALMED Pharmaceuticals on the 1 month percentage, up 158.35%. Let me look at that real quick. GLMD. Okay. Look at the daily real quick. Wow, holy moly. And it's funny because I think it's just becoming a trend now that ever since there is a reverse split. Look at this, 1 for 12, and then the other one was like a 1 for 20. And yeah, I mean, like, look at this. This thing was at a bottom of how do you call it here? 2,073 cents after the split, and this thing went up to as high as $23.80. Why? Because 4 days ago, it says here, GALMED surges on plans to expand into cancer and heart disease drug development. And so it said here that the company said it planned to advance its lead candidate, Armcol, to develop drug combinations to overcome resistance to standard of care treatments for patients with advanced colorectal and liver cancers, aiming to develop Armcol-based drug combinations targeting cardiac fibrosis or scarring of the heart, and then planning to announce new data from laboratory studies in those programs during the fourth quarter of 2024. Aramco is currently being tested in a late-stage study for patients with a serious type of fatty liver disease called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, also known as NASH. So because of that, it was the reason why it had exploded very greatly, and it looks like it is actually consolidating, in my opinion, just a little tad bit here. That looks quite the nasty setup. Not financial device. So yeah, that is actually pretty intense there. Pretty intense. Wow. Let's look at the other stocks here. All right. You got the highest being PRTG at 1,289.62%. You got BRLS, which is Borealis Foods Inc., Class A. All right. And this is a $6.50 share price. Let's look at that for a second and see what is that. What is that all about, huh? Okay, so it's been alright, you know, it's been in a certain range for some time. Not enough news. I mean, I don't know. There was nothing since August 15, so. But hold on. Yeah, that is a bullish pennant for sure. Fishy. Looks quite hot and juicy. GMLD has no data, no options chain for GMLD, so it's just shares only, not financial advice. Interesting there, yeah. Oh my god, why is my voice so groggy? Oh, gold. No, I don't like that. Immortal. What happened? Where's the finger to the moon? Immortal. What's going on? GME to the moon first, then finger? How we doing this, Immortal? Ooh, what's in to get on the ballroom tonight? The moonlight, baby. Third on the list here with 896.99% cost of borrow fee. Revelation Biosciences here, and the price is at 72 cents with a market cap of 1.2 million. That is a very tiny cap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. What is this? Yeesh. So Rev B, excuse me. Oh my god. Oy, Rev B. Excuse me. Goodness gracious. Excuse me. Looks like it did have a nice rally here. Back here August 19th. Friday, August 16th, it was at a low of 80 cents. Interesting. And this thing shot up all the way to 376 back in August 21st. But now here, it looks like it's actually getting taken down downtown with a nasty sell-off here as of this morning from 88 cents to 70 cents. Bringing this down negative 14.70%. So I wonder what's next for Revelation Biosciences. Where is that? It's Zelly o'clock. What time is it? It's Zelly o'clock. Wow. What? SRT oh my bad. I wear my sunglasses at night. There's always in the building. I like fix lazy like mine. It's like I didn't shave. What? Popcorn is back. The Shades is back. Zelly, I am doing alright. I've been home alone since I got home. It sucks. Don't know what's going on. So was that XRP crypto XRP? Yeah. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna like post this. Here. It's got the list right there, and yeah, that's true. Honey's not there. It's oh no, I see Honey moving around. It's just my mom is not home, so it's not making all the noise. And yeah, just you know. Let me see. But yeah, let's see what's going on with see what's going on. XRP has been having a little bit of a sell-off here, but I'm pretty sure it's all interconnected with Bitcoin and just literally trending along beside it, tracking. So I think it's gonna have a little bit of a pullback with Bitcoin. No, I ate already. Just I ate. I just ate whatever was left over from today's lunch. Let's see. You know what? As a matter of fact, What's interesting is H bar. H bar was moving this past weekend. I was trying to figure out why, what was going on. But you know, let me look at H bar for a second. Let me see if I have it here. Yes, I do. Oh no, wait, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, H bar has been climbing up here little by little. So look at this. So from Friday was at a low of zero. So 4.5 cents, I want to say, and then this thing climbed over. Oh, actually no. This was, what am I talking about? This was September 6th, Friday, and ever since I have been slowly climbing back up. So from that price, and then it reached a high of just almost 6 cents. So overall, this looks like a nice move too. If you're looking at it from the MACD here, it just took a nice bounce, and here just like continuing to climb up. So I think this would, this would probably eventually hold the trend and continue up, unless it decides to pull back down here and kind of like, in a way, I mean, it doesn't look like a downtrend to me. It just looks like it definitely bottomed out and just started curling back up. So I think overall, oh yeah, it definitely took a nice bounce here on the weekly. So not bad. And especially when you see this 3 to 4 weekly candles in the green, right above the displaced exponential moving average, the 9-day period. It's supposed to be actually pretty bullish in my opinion. You got this whole thing just curling up week by week. I mean, if this is considered aligning with certain things within the next month or so, then I think that H bar looks like it's in a nice a nice area. I guess you want to say entry point, because it had tested around these levels back then before last year. It kind of looked to me like a nice little double bottom, and then it started to rise up and stuff. Here you see, so you got 1, you got 2, 3. I guess this counts as 4, but I know H bar would be considered as another good opportunity there. So let's just say here, Fly X 52-week low, GGR 52-week low. We're gonna have to list those there in the book. Wherever my pen is, I don't know where I put my pen. Oh, here it is. Where's this? Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I think H bar is ready, in my opinion, and look at the ADX too. the ADX is looking pretty. What am I doing? Hold on. I'm like drawing. The ADX, even the ADX looks solid. It literally is about to cross over, you know, right here. And you can see the green line literally crossing over the red. So it's just that indicator, like things are starting to get juicy and spicy. And you even got the shade of green here popping up, so everything else needs to, you know, come to fruition and start to, you know, get back, you know, start that new bullish cycle. Not only just, you know, H bar, but, you know, I'm not too sure about XRP. This could just, you know, consolidate here little by little. On the weekly, unless there's something that I'm not seeing quite, you know, as of right now. But let's see. Like, could this be a bullish pennant right here? Could this be considered like from? I don't know. No. That looks. Unless I'm not doing it from like the. Yeah, I don't know. Let's look at the daily real quick. But you see the daily here, it looks like it's just about to pull back some more. You got three bearish daily candles in a row here, just right underneath this place, that DEMA 9-day period. And you could tell here too as well in the MACD that it's trying to peak out and try to cross right underneath that, you know? And XLM is, you know, it's kind of getting there too, but it's a little bit more established here. And, you know, could it follow? It depends. But then again, I'm just like, oh shoot. Oh wow, look at that. Did I just what did I do here? Let's get this arrow out the way. Maybe we'll see timber right there. Maybe here. I mean, it's peaking out here too as well on the MACD. Look at this. Look how many times like this has tested on the MACD. Or possibly see another one and then just start to curl right back down. What's that? What? I'm so confused. I was gonna say who is she summoning? Zelly's summoning Pa. Unless he meant to say Poppy. Oh, he meant to say Pam. Got it. Oh my god. Massive swings. I think this is wow. Let me look at Bitcoin on the 5-minute. What's going on? Oh shoot. Three 5-minute bearish candles in a row here. Looks like it's wanting to sell off. Huh. You got a bullish signal right there too. bearish. Everything is just coming down like that. Feel me? Look at this. Tried bouncing, got rejected. And then all of these is pretty much following. It's continuing that bearish divergence. Will we see the collapse of Bitcoin? Who knows? Who knows if we're collapsing right now? And then Bitcoin just drops below 60K right now in like a few minutes. And then we go to 50,000. We're like, what the hell is going on? And then we look at the rest of crypto going down with it and like, what the hell? And then we look at the we look at the SPY. Oh, you got Japan here. The Japan market's actually selling off right now too. Say word. Is that what's really happening? Oh my god, please say it. Say it ain't so. Looks like it's about to go. It's like it's about to come down. Can we break this? Sally's summoning everybody up in here. Hold on, we gotta find out what's going on here. Something is happening. Wow. As of an hour ago, what the hell is cabinets? Oh, you call them cabinets? Damn, that's crazy. Bitcoin jumps 22% post Fed rate cut, yet key resistance sparks crash. Okay. Does it really look steady? Does the Asia stock market look steady to you? Because it looks like it definitely rejected hard. UEDA speech. Asia stocks steady. Oh my god, you're gonna hear honey now. Mom's home. There we go. Right, mommy? Poppy's here. Let's see. Asia stock steady ahead of RBA decision. UEDA speech. Asian stocks were perched at their highest in more than 2 months on Tuesday as expectations for more U.S. rate cuts kept risk sentiment aloft, while investors awaited a policy decision from Australia's central bank. In an eagerly awaited press conference, China's top financial regulators, including the central bank, unveiled a slew of measures to aid the stuttering economy, including moves to reduce mortgage rates for existing homes. The Reserve Bank of Australia is widely expected to stand pat on rates, but the Federal Reserve's 50 basis points cut last week has raised some expectations Australia could follow the Fed. The RBA is likely to stick to its hawkish stance for now, aiming to keep inflation expectations anchored, head of currency strategy of Saxo. A potential pivot may come only at the November 5th meeting, depending on further labor market data and the third quarter CPI report. Yeah, TP was here. Gotta go get something to eat. Yes, Papi Leon. That's me, Eric. Let's see. But why is the DXY still pumping to the upside though? That's what I want to say. Interesting. Oh man. Hmm. Wow. Oh. No. Yes. So we need the. Okay, hold on. Let me. Yeah, I know. Okay, well, look at that. Dang. What is going on? Yeah, you know what? This is crazy. If Kenneth, Chinese markets could be in turmoil tonight, that's what it looks like right now. So we're just trying to see like what's up, like for real. If Japan, if the market in Japan is about to start breaking new day lows, oh my god, then we could see SPY futures follow right behind it. Because look right now, it literally looks like it wants to track along with it. So, damn it, honey, my ears. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Come on. So that means, oh wow, so GME is back at 2282. Let's see. Let's look at SPY. Let's look at where SPY is, because we're trying to see if this actually is about to pull back. Also, you see the ADX here kind of rejecting a little bit here. So if this continues, well, we need this to actually curl right back up. Simple as that. And then from there, we'd have to see what else. Oh, I thought you let the bird loose. Oh my god. No, I don't know why. I really thought so. I was like, wait, what? Yeah, you see it. You see it coming down just a little bit right now. I really hope it's good news because that means the rest of the markets all around will start to follow along with it. I mean, look at that big. It's trying to print that big engulfing bearish candle on the futures.
Yeah.
It's gotta be a solid drop. At least like give us a like a 20% correction. Goodness, we're at that breaking point. Oh, without a doubt, Fishy. Without a doubt, and this was pretty much your window of opportunity to either average down on your position on SQQQ or get into calls, whichever it may be. Not financial advice. As we see real quick, let's go ahead and look at SQQQ just so you can see it as reference in what it could do. What is the daily looking like, So you can tell here, it's a lot of lines here. What is going on? Hold on, let me clear this out real quick. There you go. Still waiting. Last week for the high. What? Wait, for what strike, Fishy? For 8? You are a brave man. Commend you for that. Let's see. Why does the MACD look like this? Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and change this right now because I think this MACD is acting a little weird. So we'll go ahead and look for an actual MACD. I'll probably just go and do a regular one. Which one is this? Let's see. Which one is this? TMA. I need something more smooth than that. MACD reloaded? What's this? Oh, that looks cool. Looks like it has some smoothness to it. Can try that out. Oh, definitely. Definitely try this one. See how that looks. What? Oh, okay. So I'm missing the blue line. The blue line is what you want. You want the blue line to start establishing a bottom and start curling right back over to that direction, and then you see all this start to advance up higher like it did over here for that bullish confirmation. Oh, what did I do? Still like that. That's what I'm thinking right now. Let's see. F me too. F me real good. But I thought 570 was though, considering September is typically a sell-off month. I thought that's what it was too. But then again, remember, that whole thing where history might repeat itself, and what happened in 2008, where they had started cutting rates again by 50 basis points, and what happened like a week or two later after, when the market started to just crash. Maybe. I mean, would it really play that same scenario? I just try to wonder. Honey agrees with that. But like it's just a matter of time. Is this really gonna be the case scenario? What do you guys think about that, huh? Because if we don't have anything, if there's nothing starting, like if there's, what I'm trying to say is like, as long as the Japanese markets here stays steady, I mean the rest of the markets will stay steady too as well. But we just need Asian markets to just tank like crazy. We need to see some sign. I don't know. It's gotta happen at some point, because this week could be a crucial week, in my opinion, especially entering October, because October is just one of those months. In particular, a lot of things, go bearish. And if that's the case, then by all means, go through the process. Let's see it. Let's see it happen. We're crying out loud. What are we doing? Makes no sense. There it goes. Boom. Still waiting. Still waiting. Signal. Thank God. Doesn't Zelly look like a lioness? The hair is like a lion, a lioness, The colors and the shades on top of that. Beautiful. I'll be right back. I'll take out the garbage. All right. What did I miss? What? I heard you can milk a lion? What? What are you? What? What am I reading? So what's up in the Japanese market? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find out, TP. I'm trying to see if the Japanese market gets milked to the downside. Unless that was I need to clear my cookies and take out the cash. Perf Kevin, that works. My account frozen. Wait. Oh my god. What are they sending mixed signals? Yeah, that got me confused. I don't even know what he said. Is that what happens when I leave for like 5 minutes? Good lord. Well, look, here's your answer to what is about to happen to the SQQQ. Lo and behold, look at your little sell-off there. Can we just say it now? Can we say that we're finally ready to can we say it now that we're ready to see the SPY, the markets yeah? Yeah? Can we get some crash emojis on the chart? Can we get some crash emojis in the chat right now? Come on, let's get this crash on the road now. What are y'all waiting for? Just do it. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it. Crash emojis, let's go. Freaking go. No SPY, no. You follow Japan. You follow Japan now. Hiya. Kimochi. Itadakimasu. Nani? Nande? Nande kare? Baka janai. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou. Stock market crash. Yeah. TV's dead, like. Japanese stock market crash. Banzai. Kenneth was right. Nanda kore? Nani? Non-financial advice. Domo. Arigatou gozaimasu. Toyota, Mitsubishi, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, Kawakazi, Yamakazi. Ore. Kimochire, Lion-san. Apricots? Irresistibly plump and succulent dried apricots. Can I have this? Oh, come on. Katsu desu. Kimochi de. Lion-sama. Ikugu. Kimochi. All right, let's see if I can have apricot. Wait, it's sulfur? Is sulfur dioxide good? Okay, I guess I'm not getting any reaction to this apricot here. Word. Eddie Geek Senpai! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Sapporo, I like to drink some Sapporo Asahi. No, they don't, Zelly. They look like dried mangoes. And they're orange. Mmm. That's disgusting. Mmm. I like. So wow, unbelievable. Japan market is now negative 0.61% down. Very down, 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 very down, down, down. Yeah, they look like orange pieces. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna. Yeah, no, I mean, no, they really. Look, I just sent it to you. Oh my God! Yes, yes, Bushida, Bushida, hey, Bushida. Down, down more. Wasabi. Mmm. Christ. It says I can eat 6 pieces of these dried apricots, and apparently they're enhanced with 10 billion live probiotic cultures. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Mmm. Hey, as long as it fixes my, digestive issues, I will eat this. But it says to eat 6 pieces though. Yeah, so I'm gonna take another one. I just found my new drugs. Oh, TP knows what's gonna happen in an hour. Yeah, probiotic. Oh my God, Japanese! Komenikuko! Kucha! Oh my goodness! Where is Kenneth right now? Oh, so. Oh, so. Hot sauce. I don't know what's going on with me. Oh Lord. I'm sorry, y'all. Yo, Kenneth, look at you calling out. the big crash stock market of Asia. He's got puts on Japan. Yeah, I'm bugging, TP. I am bugging. Sayonara! Japan! So that means... Alright, it's 10 o'clock for Kevin. 10 o'clock Eastern Time. It's time for Kevin's... It's bedtime. Yeah, it's not that big. But if we start seeing, the Nikkei fall under negative 2%, oh, you best believe. You best believe. You best believe that there's definitely something going on. As soon as you see that drop above 1%, I'd say over 2%, negative 2% drop on the Japan Nikkei is definitely a sign of trouble for the other markets, and it will trickle down everywhere else. So you know what? Let's see what's going on with... Oh my god, cat, jeez, what's going on? You're getting flagged left and right. Kevin, my G, you already know. As always, man, take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your night. Sleep well. Dream big about GME. And dream big in your new mansion. And good night. And we'll see you mañana. Everybody give a big giant roar to Kevin as he goes to sleep for work mañana. And thank you for always being a part of this all the time. Thank you. I appreciate you. So let's all manifest in your dreams that we see this happen, and we see a very, very big drop in the Japanese market. For sure, So. Why you laugh? Oh boy. Aw, we all love you too, cat. We all love you too. You ready now? Much love to everybody else. And all the best as we are inching closer and closer to what we could see. Perhaps in October. Some wild stuff. War. Oh shit. What? Oh lord. Alright. Huh? Hmm. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Hmm. So that means let's Q Q Q Q Q. Let's Q Q Q Q Q Q Q. 781. So we're having a little bounce. We just broke over 780. So, sorry, we gotta continue on the downside potential there. Oh, Spy is trying now. Spy is acting a little crazy there. I'm not intermittently moaning into the mic. What? How do we get to? How do we all get to this point? Oh my goodness. You're all something else. There is no way. I mean, look at this. Honestly, those stocks are those are crazy. Like to even see a cost to borrow that high above 1200, that's insane. I think that's the first for me ever seen something like that. So we definitely gotta look into it for sure, fishy, and especially that one that's like around 70 something cents. I forgot what name it was again, but yeah. What is this? So are we gonna actually continue here to the downside? Let's see. Oh wow, yeah, even the MACD is just heavy down. Wow. Oh my god. More? Let's see. If I stretch it out like that, it looks way worse. Wow. Let's see, 568. So you gotta see. You gotta see. Hmm. Diantre, mami. Very good. Oh, it's not even working. Yeah. Hmm. Goodness gracious. Let's see. Are we actually going to continue to sell off here? That'd be great. I think it's really about time, you know, that this actually starts to do something. Not financial advice for sure. Yep. Damn, my throat is so much Japanese impersonations here. Just ruining my throat. Damn. Ugh. I need a cigarette. Not really. Okay. Whoa. I need a cigarette. Hey, Marge.
Oh, homie.
I can't do it.
Oh, homie.
No, I can't. I can't do it. I think my voice is done from doing that. I'm getting a little dizzy.
Don't have a cow, man. Cowabunga, dude.
Yo. Oh god. Oh, TP is out. TP is tapping out. He can't handle it. About to go to sleep. For real. Thank you for stopping by. And I know it's been a little while since we've seen you in here. But we'll be back here. We'll be back here tomorrow. So, and also, I think we need to cut the stream a little bit. A bit early. Do need to shower and do all these other things and get ready for tomorrow. I need to go to work. All y'all need to go to work. If it wasn't for work, I would be here in the daytime streaming. I'd rather be streaming. Get in that time slot. Get in that 9:30 to 4 p.m. time slot. You know? Yeah, but you know, $50 GME, and you can quit. I you know what? I think it's gonna happen soon, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. But anyways, great bumper sticker idea. I'd rather be streaming. Yeah. And plus, like I have other things that I'm honestly like I have other things I'm trying to focus on. I have this going on. I do music. I work on music. I have another YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, show it to you right now, real quick. And this is my page, my music page, where you hear all the music playing on the playlist. This is my page, and got all the songs there. But maybe one of them is it's not there. But yeah, these are all the songs of the tracks. So by all means. And if you want to listen to that, track, it's called Bubbles. Alright, so, and there's still more to come. I need to get on my grind on this. And my goal is to, it was to reach 100 songs, well, 100 tracks on here, 100 uploads, and then try to create a playlist on this. So that's the goal right now. For now. Bubbles. So if you would like to support and, you know, drop the link. Oh, you didn't find it? Gotcha. Dun 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 dun. Do I actually have the? As a matter of fact, here's the one that I'm currently working on. It's this one. If it actually plays. Oh my god, I hope it doesn't. It's freezing on me. Oh, there it goes. Thank you, Fishy. And then I'm gonna show you next one. Let's see. Yeah. All right, so we got a trend here on the ADX for the SPY futures. We got a curl up going on here while the green line is actually coming down. This is the bearish indicator here, and you can see the trend here getting stronger on the bear side. All right, so once that happens, you definitely know that this is actually gonna start to fall a lot lower and try to retest this this level of support here at 5761. 5761. We break below that, then we are in a free fall. I mean, if that's the case, not financial advice. And then here's the other track right here. Yes, indeedy. Coming soon to a playlist near you. Let's go ahead and check back with Bitcoin and see if it's actually falling a little more. It was too. It was actually coming back down a little bit. So. So we do need to see Bitcoin actually drop a lot more, along with the futures and the other markets alongside. So that is what we are trying to see. If it actually, goes tomorrow. You know what? I saw that. I actually saw that. Friend of mine, he sent it to me today. Hey, hey. What? What? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What? This. Alright, so. Oh my goodness. Look at this though. Oh my god, Zelly. I promise, steak and lobster's on me. Thank you, Zelly. From the hecticers of my heart, thank you. And for your support, for everything that you do here in the Lion's Den. I appreciate you and I acknowledge your vibes and your frequency. Positive vibes. Thank you. Oh boy. So, wow. A little speechless here. So what do we have going on here, Kenneth? So Palantir, if it starts to capitulate, they lose another weapon to hold in the market. Wow. What else we got? Palantir, is there plan B to keep the market propped up? Ooh. Could we have a potential... I mean... Just look at the way this had been trending for some time. And ever since... Wow, just look at that. At the very bottom of... what we got here? 592? Back in December 27th of 2022. Imagining this, actually imagining entering that position from that point and accumulating and just going through this whole long giant swing. Wow. I think this is definitely, like if you look at the last high here on the daily chart, we can literally see here. This was a huge. You're talking about this was probably like a big inverse head and shoulders or whatever you can call this. Uh-oh. Honey is upset. But the last high was back in January 27th of 2021, just at the same time as GME and AMC were going through its debacle, squeeze. Palantir had reached $45 a share before starting its short or bear cycle. Starting its bear cycle. And and then you can see it here. Oh my god. Yeah, he's upset. On the weekly, you can see it clearly how this looks like. Alright? So, what we can tell from here, if you notice, on the weekly ADX, you can see it actually trying to top, trying to peak up right here. Peak out. So it's We're gonna do like one of these, and the bands will start to come closer until when they'll just cross over, and then we'll definitely have that bearish signal. Stop it! Go to sleep, go to sleep. No, that's it. Cut it out. Cut it out. Right now. Oh my god.
Shut up. Go to sleep.
So anyway, we actually do have, you notice, and let me just adjust this a bit, and I'm gonna get rid of this. And we can see this. We can see this gap fill here back down to like 31 and changed all the way to like 32.50. And yeah, welcome to the jungle. And the last support here on the daily was at around 29.80, so let's say 30 bucks. So if this starts to peak out right now, then you will definitely see this capitulate based on whatever is going on. And you know what, as a matter of fact, let me go back to this post, right? And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna read from the post here that was sent to me. And let me go ahead and just take a picture of it. Just give me one moment. Okay. All right. Shoot. 1 second. Goodness gracious. My Lanta. Okay. Welcome to the jungle. We got funny games. So, the post says here, Palantir is dead, visualizing the cycle of market emotions. I should actually blow this up a little bit more. Let me just save this real quick, because I'm actually interested in this. One moment, please. Oh boy. Oh my god. Excuse me. Alright. Give it to me. Alright, so here. Visualizing the cycle of market emotions. Right? We're gonna go ahead and then... Oh shoot, how can I do this? Should we do this on the weekly? I think we should do this on the weekly. And then have this on the side. And show you how this looks. Alright. Now, you got yourself the optimism stage, excitement, thrill, euphoria, potential maximum financial risk, anxiety, and then denial, and then fear, desperation, and here is panic, capitulation, despondency. Point of maximum financial opportunity, which is this little bubble right here, this area of demand. And then from here, the depression subsides, and you have hope, and then a relief, and then optimism, excitement starts again, then the thrill, and then the euphoria. We're pretty much at what it shows here. We're pretty much at the euphoria stage, and we're not that close from the last high from January 27th of 2021 at 45 bucks. But if this actually does not reach to this point, let's say it hits this last wick here at 39.22. If it rejects from there and it starts to go down, that is where the point of maximum financial risk is, and then you'll be heading towards that anxiety stage once again, and then the whole cycle starts again, and to come back down. And you can see it here. And what it says here is, and this is, again, everything that's being said here is just strictly, in my opinion, not financial advice, and take it with a grain of salt. So, the post says here, Palantir is about to drop, and here's why. Despite a recent surge, Palantir stock could be heading for a drop due to concerns about its sky-high valuation. Even though the company posted a 67% rise year to date, Wall Street analysts are wary of its pricey PE ratio, price to earnings ratio, of 86.58. This makes the stock look overvalued, especially with revenue growth expected at 20 to 21%. With limited confidence in Palantir's ability to consistently deliver strong results, the stock may see a 20% decline as investors start to question whether the price justifies the company's current performance. Don't kill the messenger. We're just visualizing what the analysts are saying. So, bullish or bearish? What do you think? This was a post by someone named Good Student, and Good Student Investing, GS Investing. So my friend sent it to me. So this was a great post by Good Student Investing on IG, and I have to agree with that. This is exactly what the pattern is showing. Definitely. This is definitely what it's showing here. And there's a lot of key points there. For sure. We usually tend to see if it was a company with a great valuation, price to earnings ratio normally would be around the 20s, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So let me just double check. Of course. Oh, yeah, I was right. Okay. So I did remember. So to give you some sense of what the average for the market is, though, many value investors would refer to 20 to 25 as the average PE ratio range. You can see this here. So when it's high, it's usually overpriced. Maybe poor performance or higher earnings expectations, not as good. When in comparison to a low PE ratio, would it be good earnings, priced unusually low, underpriced? So it's good. So currently, if you go to Palantir stock, currently, oh, we're actually, wow. So I think this is influenced by what the market is doing, what futures is doing, as Palantir is actually coming back down here from 37.95 now 37.81. So it's under negative 0.30%. And could this be the peak for the stock? So we would have to see what the flow is looking like for Palantir. On the options chain, of course. Let's go ahead and look at a monthly option. So let's say if we look at puts, looks heavy for the 35 here. Wow. There's a high volume here for the $32 strike and the $35 strike puts for October 18th expiration. Even the $29 strike too as well. And you have a lot more volume here from that point and lower strikes here. Actually, this is an open interest. My bad. But most of the volume we see here is for the $30 strike, $34 strike, 35, 36, 37. What about for November 15th? Higher open interest here for the $31 strike. Interesting. In January, oh, look at this. A really high open interest for the $10 strike puts for January 17th expiration next year. Very interesting. But it looks like there is a lot of volume coming in for the $30 strike. And the 25 too as well. It's just par from each other. Very interesting, for sure. I thought the market halted. I thought the market hated Palantir. Maybe that is still the case, and maybe they're just giving Palantir a rally that's too good to be true, especially with that valuation and the P ratio being a little bit too high. Maybe this surge here is just not quite it. So I believe that is the case for sure for Palantir. And the way that it's managed too as well, I find it very, very interesting, especially from this point here when it had earnings on August 5th, and this was at a low of 21.23, and then to surge up from there and continue to go up countless days. So I think that person who wrote that post is really onto something. And it really does look, you know, I'm bullish on Palantir, by the way. I regret selling. Oh shoot. Really? Wow. I did not even know that. This is exactly what I wanted. That's exactly what I need. And I look into your eyes and see our dream. Palantir. We'll probably look close into Palantir and see what happens this week along with the market. So we'll have a watch on that. As a matter of fact, that is go ahead and just put that on that. Actually, let me put these as well. And Intel too. I'm surprised Intel's not here. And PRTG. I'm gonna put these tickers in there. Alright. Alright. Oh, cat. Alright, get your rest in. Thank you for always being here. Of course. And just manifest, dream big, and giant hugs. We will talk tomorrow. Have a great night, and thank you. Kenneth is like, I will be looking for that $10 buy in January. Oh my god. If that is the case. Much love, cat. If that is the case, oh my goodness. Oof. Edic G. The way she says that, that's funny. But yeah. It's time. Maybe by the time it starts to peak, maybe get into some long-term puts. Who knows? Not financial advice. Dreaming about our bank account expansion. Dreaming about those extra zeros. You have to dream big, manifest, and hope for the best. Because I know in time we're gonna make it big. Stay zen. Stay zen. So I'm also thinking of on the stream a little short. I mean, it's actually been, oh shoot, it's been 3 hours and 26 minutes. Not bad. So it's 3 minutes to 11 o'clock p.m. here Eastern time. I do have to get ready. You need to wash up and do everything else. And I have to go work. I have to go to work tomorrow, early in the morning. Before I go, I'll just we'll just quickly look at an update on. We'll go back to yeah, we'll go back here. Let's see what BTC is doing. Yes, for sure. 6 zeros added behind our accounts. Sure. Oh, it's midnight, right? You're more up east, like past Maine, Nova Scotia, Canada. So yeah, an hour after. That's so true. You're 1 hour into the future. It's been awesome. And I do appreciate the company. I appreciate the talks, the wild conversations that transpires here. But that's what it's all about. Just keeping it chill and keeping it fun and educational at the same time. Just trying to figure out like what's the next move, what's the next step, what do we see, and if the markets are definitely gonna tank like crazy, so really, we look at for example S&P 500 and how that's going, and take a look at the Japanese Nikkei market. So you could see it's literally following the same. It's literally following the same trend right now. So for now, it's consolidating. But you already know financial advice. This thing starts to do its thing here. Oh shoot, hold on. Then you already know what's next, so oh my god, just don't recover, please. Just keep going down. Keep going down. That's all we need. We need just the Japanese markets to go down like 2 to 3%. And if this is, I mean, indeed, like the beginning of another bearish divergence for both these markets, I sure hope so. And then we can definitely see some downside on this buy and SQQQ on the rebound for sure. I really appreciate the advice. Yeah, Kenneth, the pleasure is mine. And doing what I can to look at things from a broader view and different aspects and see what's possible. So yeah, man, thank you. And with that being said, we just got to see what tomorrow brings. Now, I am just, oh wow. So remember, I kept talking about Indo. I just looked at Indo right now. I haven't seen Indo all day, and Indo actually climbed up 3.37% today. That brings us here. Let's see how this looks like on the daily. Oh my goodness. So here is the setup now for Indonesia Energy Corporation. Look at the trend here. And look how the price action is now above that displaced DMA, the 9-day period. Very interesting trend here happening. As I continue to preach about this stuff, energy sector is turning back around, and oil on the prowl as well. I mean, look at this, right? Having a little bit of recovery, maybe a little bit of a pennant forming there, perhaps. So I'm still, looking at Indo and just seeing like what the possibilities are, and you could see the MACD definitely turning back around too as well, and the cross on the ADX, which is bullish, right? So we're gonna see how this plays out. This turns back around, and then maybe we'll get another pop here, maybe in the next week or so. In my prediction, not financial advice, Indo, and let's see. Look, even HUSA with that same looking trend there. See it? You can definitely see it there. Smoking, right? So we have discussed Indo for a while. HUSA also, but leaning more towards Indo. Not to say, to buy or sell or do anything like that. That's your decision to make. Yeah, definitely watch out for that. And as for precious metals, gold is, oh my god, gold reached a new all-time high today. Wow. Wow. Okay. So gold is attempting to hit a new all-time high again. Oh, 4 days in a row. The new all-time high of $2,634.86 per ounce. Oh, even palladium. Even palladium here. This was, wow. No, well, not palladium. Okay, well, just gold. Copper is making a comeback too as well. Probably to hit 450 soon. Silver. You can already see silver trending with gold and holding its ground, and still with a nice solid foundation here in trend. Your teeth is gonna make you rich. Oh my goodness. And speaking of silver, and I will leave this for the last EXK. What is EXK looking like? Real quick. And if you can tell, in ways, you can see the same algorithms. You can see that W here, you know? And if I go switch back, you see it here too as well. Awesome. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. AXK. 3 days ago, you already seen that the silver miners were on the rise as US dollar was weakening. So stay tuned for more on precious metals, oil and energy, solar, and perhaps maybe the dollar will not hold for too long, because if precious metals is going up and energy, oil, and all that stuff, I don't think the dollar would maintain these levels for too long. I don't think it would actually try to go over 101. You think? But anyways, in 3 days, we do have Powell speaking at 9:20 in the morning. Just 10. How fitting? How fitting is this when you have Jerome Powell speaking 10 minutes before market open, September 26th. Durable goods orders month over month, and GDP growth rate quarter over quarter final at 8:30 in the morning. So how about that, huh? Anyways, that's what's in store for this week. So I'm gonna call it a night, and so just stay tuned to see what else happens with what we discussed tonight, and we're gonna go ahead and say goodnight to everybody, and a big thank you to everybody who joined tonight's stream. So thank you. Zelly, thank you again for everything, for the super chat. What? Thank you, Eric, for the hot dog, and Yuri Moisley for the unexpected juiciness. So I appreciate all of you, and thank you for the gifted. What? Sully. Oh my goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Thank you for the gifted. Oh, I see. Oh, thank you. And congrats to Jason Henkel for being gifted by Zelly. And shout out to everybody else. Kenneth, thank you. Kat, Yuri, Johnny, Kevin, TP, Kat, Fishy, Momo, and man. My brain just got frozen. And then everybody else who wasn't able to make it. Shout out to you too as well. Like Tan, usually Native Gamer is here. Chris Wilson, Benjamin, Tan. And thank you, fam. Thank you for the support, for hanging out with me and everybody else, for the vibes. And let's continue to make this possible and grow. Also, shout out to Shakira, Lauren Sanchez, J-Lo, Pam, la, Jesse Juby, Carissa, Big JR, Travis, man, we can't forget Travis. I know he's been working hard, he's been working a lot, so shout out to Travis. Much love to him, and hopefully everything is alright with him and the fam. So giant hugs to him. Giant hugs to everybody else, and positive vibes, and that things come to fruition. That everything that we manifest comes to fruition, hopefully soon. Chloe girl too, yeah, Chloe. Shout out to Chloe. Shout out to Sunny, grandma, great grandma, Sunny. Shout out to you, Bob. Of course, Bob. Yeah. Incognito, who I rarely see of, but he's usually somewhere else. Miss him. Damn, Anubis, Mark R. Shout out to them. Shout out to Juan, GCA, Duty Calls, DH. It's just the list grows. What we also got? We got Gabriel, Mr. 494. Shout out to him. Shout out to Blue 5. I haven't seen Blue 5 in ages. I'll give a shout out to Kai. Flame on Kai. Shout out to you. Rest in peace, Lou, of course. By all means. You always gotta remember the big man. Shout out to Ben Jinho. Who? Shout out to, yeah, I got him. I got Benjamin. Shout out to Momo. I think we got Momo. Shout out to shout out to all my haters. And all my lovers too. Anyways, Carajito. Shout out to Carajito on Discord. Boo. No, I know. I don't have no haters. I only love. That's it. I never ask to receive any haters. I don't look for, reasons for people to hate me, I only like to love. I only like to be myself, my genuine self, and give the best, give my all, to everybody, so by all means. Oh, Jason G too as well. Yeah, the Jason G. Damn, I haven't seen Clark and Julie. Shout out to Clark and Julie. Matt K. is being a little ass. And Maddie. Damn, Maddie gone. I haven't seen him at all. Anyways, shout out to Moas and Honey. Oh, that's cute. Shout out to Honey. And my mama. I love you. And I love you. And I love you. And I love you. And I love you. Alright, y'all. Take it easy. We'll see you in the next stream. Much love, giant hugs, and manifest everything that you ever wish for to happen and to come to fruition. And dream a sweet dream. And y'all have a wonderful rest of your night, day, wherever you are. This has been your stream in the Lion's Den with yours truly, Lion of all trades. Gracias a ti, gracias a todo. Buenas noches. And thank you. Take care. guys remember to hit that like on the way out. Have a blessed night. Thank you.